Okay, so good evening class. Last day আমরা consideration পড়ছিলাম and we have completed up to bailment I guess. Okay, so consideration আজকে complete হয়ে যাবে, তারপরে আমরা next chapter এ move on করব. So consideration আর আমি রিভিশনে যাচ্ছি না because টাইমটা আমাদের কাছে খুব কম. রিভিশন পরে যদি সময় পাই obviously করিয়ে দেবো. আচ্ছা, so আমরা নেক্সট যেই কনসিডারেশনের পোর্শন আছে সেখানে চলে যাচ্ছি. আচ্ছা, নেক্সট কনসিডারেশনের পোর্শনে যেমন আছে a stranger to a contract or privity of contract. আমার নোটসে লেখা আছে, দেখবি কি আছে. আচ্ছা, কাগজ কষ্ট করছি. আচ্ছা দাঁড়া, 1 minute, just a minute. Okay. Next আমার টপিক আছে কি, a stranger to a contract. A stranger to a contract. What do you mean by a stranger to a contract? Suppose A, B, C are entering here. A and B, both of them are entering into a contract. Now C is B's best friend. C is B's best friend. So actually C is B's best friend. So here actually the contract is happening between A and B, right? The contract is happening between A and B, but here C, if C intervenes, then C is the third party, because there is no contract between B and C or A and C. The contract is solely between A and B. So if C intervenes in between, then C will be considered as a third party or a stranger to a contract, right or no? Huh? So C is a third party or a stranger to a contract. কি বললাম, A B এর সঙ্গে একটা এগ্রিমেন্ট, একটা কন্ট্রাক্টে এন্টার করছে, আর C হচ্ছে B এর বেস্ট ফ্রেন্ড. C যদি কোনোভাবে মাঝে আসে, তাহলে C will be treated as a third party or a stranger to a contract, right? Stranger, why stranger? Because C is not having, কারণ C এর কোনো কন্ট্রাক্ট নেই with B. C is not having any contract with B, or C is neither having any contract with A. C এর সাথে কোনো কন্ট্রাক্ট নেই, তাহলে C মাঝখান থেকে কোথায় চলে এলো? Like sometimes we all sometimes have in life, we all have become a third party or a third person, correct? Third person, we have went out with friends and we felt like the most left out ones, correct? So this is the same case. So as per our law, what it says, that a stranger to a contract cannot sue. A stranger to a contract cannot sue. S-U-E, sue. What do you mean by sue? Cannot claim, cannot charge anything, cannot cannot charge anything against, cannot sue a person. So what is it is saying? Let's just explain. Suppose so what does the law say? A stranger to a contract cannot sue. Suppose Salman is having a contract with Aishwarya, correct? Salman is having a contract with Aishwarya, fine. So there was a contract, suppose of selling something for rupees 5 lakh, whatever it may be. Okay, selling something for rupees 5 lakh. Now what happens, Salman promised Aishwarya to sell, but Salman didn't fulfill the contract, didn't fulfill his obligations. Okay, this may so happen from Salman's side also, or it might so happen that let's take Aishwarya's example. Suppose Salman have sold it for have transferred the property to Aishwarya, but Aishwarya have still not paid rupees 5 lakh. Have still not paid rupees 5 lakh to Salman Khan. Okay, so now Salman's best friend Shahrukh, correct? Salman's best friend Shahrukh. Now what happens? Shahrukh is getting very angry, is very pissed off with Aishwarya, because he is seeing that his friend is suffering because of this amount. So what he does, he instead, Salman is not taking any step against Aishwarya, and for obvious reasons Salman is not taking any steps, but Shahrukh have no such thing. So Shahrukh, seeing Salman's condition, Shahrukh tries to do a case tries to do a case against Aishwarya for not paying this rupees 5 lakh. Correct? Is the situation clear? What? Salman and Aishwarya both are entered into a contract. Both have entered into a contract. Salman and Aishwarya দুজনে একটা কন্ট্রাক্টে এন্টার করেছে। কারেক্ট? এবার কি হচ্ছে, কন্ট্রাক্টে কি কিছু সেল করা ছিল 5 লাখ, ঐশ্বরিয়া সেই 5 লাখ টাকাটা দেয়নি। শাহরুখ হচ্ছে সালমানের বেস্ট ফ্রেন্ড। শাহরুখ দেখছে যে সালমান দিন দিন এই 5 লাখের রুপির জন্য সাফার করছে, বাট সালমান কোনো স্টেপ নিতে পারছে না। কার এগেনস্টে? ঐশ্বরিয়ার এগেনস্টে। তখন কি হলো, শাহরুখ নিজের বেস্ট ফ্রেন্ডের অবস্থা এরকম না দেখতে পেয়ে শাহরুখ কেস করলো এগেনস্ট ঐশ্বরিয়া ফর দিস রুপিস 5 লাখ অ্যামাউন্ট। বাট this is good that a friend is helping another friend, but as per law this is not possible. This is never possible. A stranger to a contract cannot sue. A stranger to a contract cannot sue. Is it correct? Is it all right? Is it understood? So a stranger to a contract cannot sue. So this law says what? That whoever may be the stranger, but a stranger to a contract can never sue any person. If the person is not involved, then that person cannot enter into such matters. This here, Salman can do a case against Aishwarya, but Shahrukh, being a third party, cannot enter. Clear? No matter how much love, how much affection is there between both Salman and Shahrukh, but still. Clear? Okay. Now next what? Now next is a stranger to a consideration. Two topic. One is a stranger to a contract cannot sue. Another is what? A stranger to a consideration. So this one we have read earlier also. What it says, that a stranger to a consideration means, suppose this example, I am taking the same example of Salman and Aishwarya. Now what happens? I am just changing it. Here Salman, here Aishwarya, mutually contract between these two people of rupees 5 lakh. Okay. Now what happens? The day when the contract have been executed and all, Aishwarya was not present. Abhishek was present. Okay. Aishwarya was not present. Who was present? Abhishek was present. Why Abhishek was present? Abhishek was present to do the contract on behalf of Aishwarya. Abhishek was present. Okay. Oh, sorry. It was not visible. Okay. Now is it visible? Okay. So what is happening now? Salman and Aishwarya mutual contract for rupees 5 lakh. The same example, but the case is what? Now in this case, Abhishek is what? Abhishek is present on behalf of Aishwarya on the day of execution of the contract. যেদিন কন্ট্রাক্ট এক্সিকিউট হবে সেই দিন অভিষেক আছে অন বিহাফ অফ ঐশ্বরিয়া, আর অভিষেক সালমানকে রুপিস 5 লাখ দিচ্ছে অন বিহাফ অফ ঐশ্বরিয়া। সো ইজ ইট valid or is it not valid? Because here Abhishek is also a stranger to a contract. Abhishek is also a third party. Like here Shahrukh was third party. So here Abhishek is also third party. So is it possible that Abhishek can pay rupees 5 lakh to Salman? Yes or no? Yes. Think. Here it is not possible. A stranger cannot sue. That's all right. But is it possible over here? Just think. I've explained, I've said that, said this topic, I've talked about this topic earlier also. And I've told you that please remember this point. And those who are thinking, yes, Abhishek can pay and it's valid, those who are thinking this, they are absolutely correct. Because yes, a stranger to a consideration is valid, is lawful, but a stranger to a contract cannot sue. This is invalid. Cannot sue any other person. Okay, but here a stranger to a consideration, it is a valid one, it's a lawful one. আমি বলেছিলাম একটা কথা, লক্ষ্মী আসছে, আসতে দাও। लक्ष्मी जी पधार रहे, पधारने दो। ठीक है, कहीं से भी पधारे, बस आने दो घर में। But here Lakshmi is not coming. Here yes, anyways, Lakshmi is not coming. Here your means certain trouble is coming, and don't let that trouble come in. Don't let the trouble come in. Okay, and here Lakshmi ji is coming, so let Lakshmi ji come in, but here trouble coming, please, no, not possible. So a stranger to a contract cannot sue, whereas a stranger to a consideration, it is a lawful one. Is it clear now? Okay, I hope it is clear. Okay, next topic that we will cover today is the last one, that is the exception to the rule of what this one. Exception to the rule of this one, that a stranger to a contract cannot sue. Means exception means what? Means here, in case he or she might be the stranger, but he can sue. So this is the exception to a stranger to a contract cannot sue. Correct? A stranger to a contract cannot sue.